Good morning. Just out on a walk this morning. Had some really grey, misty, sort of murky days, and the sun's out today, so I've just come out. I don't have a car today, so it's just a local walk. So anyway, I'll catch up with you soon. It's very quiet today. Haven't seen very much. Heard a few birds, heard a tree creeper. Couldn't find it. We'll just carry on a little bit further. I can see the deer in a field quite a long way away. But we'll just carry on. It's just nice to be out, nice walk. Want to say thank you for watching. Look at these beautiful autumnal colours. Heading back now. It's been quite a quiet walk wildlife wise, but it's still lovely morning to come out. I just want to say, if you haven't already and you'd like to, please do consider subscribing. Drop me a like and a comment. Everything helps. So enjoy your day.